YO YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. So this one is almost like the one that I did for McKinley. It's a little bit different. Today is March 18th. It's a Friday. I'm going to speak to Case Preparatory Academy in Akron, Ohio at 2 p.m. Right now it's a little bit after 10. I had to make a couple of runs, go grab some materials real quick to knock out a job. A couple custom orders, nothing too major. But I'm going to take y'all along with me, you know, for as much as I can. I'm not too sure on the stipulations of recording at school. This one, I won't be bringing my equipment. I'll be bringing my presentation, my knowledge, and what it is that I do. And hopefully inspire a young 8th grader that's about to be in high school. So y'all tap in, enjoy this with me. So I don't know if I should call this a day in the life. No, I'm just going to stick with the teaching tomorrow's leaders. Part 2. Let's tap in. So before I go out to teach, I'm going to knock out a few customers real quick. This is a Sister Soul Food. If you haven't followed me on IG or my Facebook group, Squad Creatives, then you've been seeing this all week. Just that we kind of, you already know what I'm about to say. Later, gang. I love that coral mixed with that multi-galaxy stripe. Y'all see the little cut indentation. Supposed to weed it out. Still came out fire though. Bomb colorway. On to the next job, but before I get into that, let me show y'all these applique patches I got from Walmart. I think they're pretty slick. I might make a video over this. The Hero is more so for my wife. This rose is really what I was interested in. Sorry the door is open, as it is hot, a little bit stuffy. But now we're moving on to the second project, and I'm actually going to be sublimating on sublimation fabric. You guys seen me just do this in the last video. This is a Doc McStuffins for my granddaughter. So basically I'm using Econo sublimation fabric. I'm using Vibrant Vibes sublimation ink and paper. And I'm getting ready to knock out this custom, this Doc McStuffins right here. On this tie-dye shirt that I got from Walmart. Then also I'm gonna transform this hoodie. By the way, it's her 3rd birthday, so she's gonna be super geeked. So real quick, I've already pressed my sublimation fabric. This is the Doc McStuffins. I cut it out. Remember to give yourself a cheat code, you know, do some little indentation so you know exactly how to line it up. The light's not on, but you can kind of see the image through there. That's what you want. Then you're gonna have this offset. So let's transform this real quick. Oh yeah, I'm pressing at 381 for 50 seconds on firm pressure. So after that press, y'all see how it came out. Once again, shout out to Vibrant Vibes inks and sublimation paper. Links in the description. And Econo sublimation fabric. Once again, links in the description. So here's a multi-galaxy stripe I'm going to use for this birthday shirt. And the coral that I'm also going to use for this birthday shirt and for this hoodie. Almost up here at Case Preparatory Academy. I'm in Akron right now. So I'm a whole city over. Y'all hit that like, thumbs up, share, subscribe, all of that. nice day out. And of course we come to a stop.
In 1,000 feet, turn left.
So I'm getting ready to turn left, but I will see y'all at the school. We are here. Oh, I'm not gonna park there. Right here. Police officers. Yo, I just tapped in, and this is for the 8th graders. I'm coming to talk to them about what I do. I don't think I'll be able to get it on film, as this is 8th graders, but I will get some of the outside, and I'll talk to you guys as soon as I get done with this. See you in a few. So I just left the Young Bucks. They feisty in there, like I expected them to be. I knew that they was gonna be a little bit much. At 8th grade, you know, your mind ain't all the way there yet. You're still very immature. And for those that want to be, you know, goal orientated, they generally are. But I had a great time. Shout out to Case Preparatory College, which is just behind me. And shout out to the T-Gang and everybody that's been following me on this journey. It's much appreciated. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. But it is Friday. The day is about over. I got a few things I need to go do. So I will see y'all on the next video. If you like these type of videos, drop a comment, drop a thumbs up. Let me know. Tomorrow's Leaders, part 2. But to the next one, y'all, I'm out.